Baby monsters always on the go. Go, baby, go, go, baby. He's a monster, but we love him so. Go, baby.
Whoa, welcome back to Baby Monster. Today, Baby Monster, we're looking at a fire truck. Whoa, you see that thing? Look at all these things. Wow, look at all these gauges. That's amazing. And look at the size of the wheel. It's bigger than me. Wow. Whoa. Let's go look. Oh, wow. Look at the lights. Whoa. Oh my goodness, this is the coolest truck I've ever seen.
Baby, I want to draw a pic first.
What do you think of this?
For you.
What do you think of this truck?
Cool.
Very cool.
Very cool.
Hi, welcome back to Baby Monster. Here's my hat.
My hat.
Today on Baby Monster, we're going to talk about
Fire truck.
fire trucks. Wow.
Look at all these fire trucks.
Okay, so how many do we have?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 fire trucks?
Yeah.
Wow, so what do they all do?
This one doesn't do anything, and this one doesn't do anything, but this one does.
Wow. That is so many fire trucks.
Yeah, these
Which
are.
one's your favorite?
This one.
Oh, does that make Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Whoa, this one got beat up.
Yeah.
This one really got played with.
Yeah, this diamond is really cool.
Which one did you find in the park?
This
That one you found in the park today?
Yeah.
Wow. And which one turns into a transformer? Rescue bot.
Huh?
Which one turns into a transformer? That one transforms? Whoa, you even know how to transform him?
Yeah.
What's that rescue bot's name?
Heat wave.
Heat Wave!
Yeah.
That sounds like a good fire truck name.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is this one, this big one? Is this a Paw Patrol fire truck?
Yeah.
How does it work?
Okay.
Show me. Wow!
This transformer though, but I don't want to show you that today.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
What are these?
These are like. Look at this one. This
Whoa.
one has lights.
That one's not red.
Look,
Why
it
is this
has
one not red?
lights. Oh, me and Dad searched in my room because there was another one in my room.
Oh, whoa.
The red one.
Does this one work? Does it light up?
Huh?
Does this one light up?
Mm-mm.
Wow! It does work!
Yeah.
Hey, where's my fire helmet?
I liked it. I liked it.
Can you? Whoa. I guess it's your fire helmet, huh?
Yep.
Yep. Man, oh man, what do firefighters do?
They fight fire.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Us Baby Monster should have known that.
Yeah.
They fight fires. And how do they do it? With big water hoses?
Yeah.
Wow.
Cause like they fight fires,
Uh-huh.
and they're really safe. Cause they use no shoes. Cause they just have socks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
And where do they get their water? From fire hydrants?
Yeah.
Oh, man, that must take a lot of water to fight big fires.
Uh-huh.
Do they ever use helicopters and
Yeah.
planes to drop water on forest fires?
And planes don't have water.
Oh.
Just helicopters.
Oh,
Helicopters have water to fight all the fire.
man, that's so cool.
Yeah.
Firefighters are pretty brave, huh?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Yeah, it's scary fighting fire. That's a pretty brave thing to do.
Are you scared of fire?
Me? No, because I'm red. Oh, yeah, actually I am. I'm very scared of it. Because it's hot. You
But
touch it and it'll hurt
I
you.
can get it like.
But fires also can be good because they can help cook stuff and then keep you warm.
Yeah.
You just gotta be very careful with fire.
Hate that.
And we're too little to ever deal with fire anyways. What is this little guy?
I don't know.
Is that? Come here.
Thing.
Ow, 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 ow.